LGBTQ 1-Minute News. Let's queer up the USA view. San Joaquin Pride Center faces urgent funding crisis as grants end. Reporting by Stocktonia reveals that the San Joaquin Pride Center, one of only 2 organizations exclusively serving LGBTQ+ residents across the California county, is facing a severe funding crisis that threatens its survival. The center's financial stream stems from a simultaneous loss of key revenue streams. Its long-term funding, nearly $500,000 annually through California's Department of Public Health, ended in June without immediate state replacement programs in place. Additionally, a 2-year $400,000 grant for substance use prevention was cut a year early due to federal policy changes targeting diversity, equity, and inclusion programs. To survive, the center has laid off 2 employees with additional staff cuts expected. It is now seeking $200,000 in immediate bridge funding to transition to a smaller, remote model while pursuing long-term health care reimbursement revenue. Highlighting the urgency of the situation, Executive Director John Alita said, quote, "The painful reality is that the need for our services has never disappeared," end quote. Without emergency community support, it could close by December. Heartbreaking to hear these constant attacks, choosing funding, removing funding, allocating, oh, we're going to give over here, but oh, diversity, equity, inclusion, no, can get no funding. I don't know when, I don't even see a light at the end of the tunnel on this one. I really don't.
And you know what makes me sad also is that, San Joaquin Pride Center doesn't only give services to LGBTQ+ people. Okay, right. People that just have substance disorder, use disorder, went there to go to meetings, okay? And now they no longer have a place to go to, all right? That, additionally, with LGBTQ+ people not having a safe space and all of that, they're the real losers here, and that really is sad.
Well, and things are tough all over. I mean, locally, our community centers are facing funding challenges due to these cuts. Our arts programs, and that's the same in California. They just have bigger and more liberal base to absorb it. I have a feeling, though, that something will come through and,
remember,
make it work.
Like we said earlier, Central California, who knows? Maybe not. It's a, it's a red desert.
State, though. The state could, is...
I was surprised to hear that there wasn't something in place at the state level to correct this attack from the government, from the federal government level. I agree with you, John, on that.
Well, it's a familiar and unfortunate situation affecting Pride centers all over the country, especially when we really need them.
And that is an LGBTQ 1-Minute News story. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.